Hi everyone, this is just to let you know that a few things have changed on my website and blog. And I had a message from somebody called Jo who said she'd watched a previous video on YouTube about how to find my cutting files and she couldn't find them. And the reason is that over the last couple of weeks I've been updating my website and putting on an integrated shopping cart. So at the time of recording this video, or at the time that you'll be seeing this video, it will be Saturday the 23rd of May 2020. So I just want to clarify a few things. So first of all, my main website is here. It's www.applelover53.co.uk. From within this website, you will find lots of information. So obviously you've got the home page, which tells you, a little bit about what I'm doing. My monthly host code for my Stampin' Up business is here, and this code changes every month. So if you are buying anything through my Stampin' Up shop, please use the code that applies in the month that you're purchasing. If you come to the ScanNCut tab, you'll see under here there are drop-down menus relating to everything to do with the ScanNCut. So, information about the Disney machine, information about machine comparisons, the main help and information section, which I refer to a lot in my videos or in my Sunday night lives. All the USB information and manuals, etc., is all on this page, the help and information section. And then there are some videos on here that I did when we were doing our makers meetups, and my design team projects. This next tab along is the tab that has been changed recently. So I now have a ScanNCut cutting files shop, and I also have a few handmade items that I am selling through my website, just a few handmade sewn projects. But if you come to the ScanNCut cutting files shop, on here now you will find all the cutting files that I have available for you to purchase. So there's a set of number shape cards here. That's 13 cutting files with extras included. This is another set of like double figure shaped cards, that includes things like 40, 60, 80, that kind of thing. The watering can file, which I made recently, all different things. Some of them have got new on them because they're things that I've added since having this new integrated shopping cart. And this is now, as I said, an integrated shopping cart. So the minute you click onto one of these items, it will ask you, it will give you information about it. If there's any information you need to know down here, you can add it to your cart and you can follow the shopping cart process through. And these are all instant downloads. So you no longer have to wait for me to get an email from PayPal saying you've bought an item and then for me to have to email it and send it to you as an attachment. These are instant downloads. There are some files that have been on here a while, which are my most popular files. So the 3D box card file, the 3D box frame, these are all popular. And then down here at the bottom, there are the free cutting files. And this was where Jo was looking for. She was looking for one of the free files. Now they say free in the title, and then they have £1 as a price underneath them. Some people pay the £1 for them, and that's lovely, thank you. But a lot of you are downloading them for free. But this particular platform that I'm using on my website won't allow me to sell anything at a zero-based figure. So basically what I've had to do with these, I've put free in the title, and then you'll see it says free here. This is the paper bag cutting file, and it says £1. But in the information down here, there's a code, and the code is different for each one of the free cutting files. And basically what you need to do, this code here that says free, when you apply this to your cart and view cart, it says here, apply coupon code on free item, add coupon code. So if you click it and type the code in here and apply, you will see that it takes the £1 off and it becomes a free item, and you can check out. It will ask you to put your email in and your name, and you have to accept the terms and conditions, and then proceed, and the item will drop into your downloads folder on your computer. So that's the main change on my website with regards to cutting files. And then the next big change is that I've moved my blog. Now, my blog I've had for years has always been hosted on WordPress. So I'm just going to go to my WordPress blog. So you'll see here it's called a&hcrafts.wordpress.com. And in the past, when you've clicked on the blog icon from within my website, or you may have followed a YouTube link, from in the description box underneath a video to my blog, it will have brought you here to this blog page. I've decided to remove the blog from WordPress. The WordPress blog will stay live for some time, but as of the 23rd of May 2020, I will no longer be adding content onto this WordPress platform. So from now on, when you're on my applelover53.co.uk website and you click on the blog tab, I will be hosting my own blog. And so that you know that you're in the right place, I've just put the title here, Welcome to my new blog. Okay, I've migrated all the previous projects over from WordPress. So you should be able to scroll down through these pages, and if there's anything that you've seen in the past on my WordPress blog, you should be able to find it here now, hosted on my own website. And this is where I will be adding blog content from now on. So there's a post here. The latest post will always be in the top left. And when you click on it, it basically tells you that I've moved my blog onto my own Apple Lover 53 website. It makes sense to me to have everything on one platform, and that I will no longer be adding anything to my WordPress blog. Okay, and then what it will also do, it will show you the 3 most recent projects after the current project that you're viewing. And if you want to get back to the main blog page, you just click the blog tab. So everything is here all in one place now. The other thing I've done, I've slightly updated my contact page. I've removed the contact form, and I've basically just given you an email contact here, because the form didn't have the facility to add photographs. And I know, again, several people have contacted me saying that they want to send me photographs of projects that they've made following my recent YouTube live streams. So this is basically just the about and the contact, and it's just letting you know who I am, what I do, The main tools that I use, as you all know, I now use a ScanNCut SDX 2200 Disney machine. I use a Janome MC 9900 sewing embroidery machine because people do ask. My overlocker is the Juki, and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. And there's a Stampin' Up tab here where you can shop with me for Stampin' Up products, or you can join Stampin' Up under me. You know, it's all in one place now. And if you do want to contact me, come to the contact page and send me an email by clicking here. You can send me email information and attach photographs if you want to show me projects. So everything now is housed all together on my applelover53.co.uk website. I also have a newsletter sign up here, which is more for my Stampin' Up customers, but I do, when I send my monthly newsletter out, which is at the beginning of every month, I do also include information about what's been going on in my ScanNCut world. So I hope that's helpful. Leave any questions or comments underneath the video, or alternatively, come to the contact page and send me an email by clicking here. And as I say, everything is now under one roof, so to speak, so you can follow the blog. And if you're new to the ScanNCut and you're not confident with making your own cutting files yet, there are some cutting files here that you can purchase. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.